Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. In this episode, we are going to make a milk pudding from Ottoman times keşkül. Keşkül, also referred to as the beggar's bowl, is a container carried by wandering dervishes. Each dervish lodge had their own carvings and ornaments on their keşkül bowls. So if someone gave money or something else to the begging dervish, it would go to that lodge as a donation. The money collected with those bowls would then be used to make this milk pudding and served to the poor again using the same bowls. Therefore, the name of the pudding eventually got the name of the bowl, coming from the Ottoman saying keşkülü fukara, poor man's keşkül. After this nice story from the history, let's make the pudding. For the ingredients, this time I'm going to scale them for you because some of you are asking me. And I have little less than half cup cornstarch, which is 50 grams. You can use wheat starch also, it's okay. Next, the sugar, and it is 3/4 of a cup and 150 grams. Here I have half cup ground almonds. I'm going to roast it a bit to give more flavor. 1 liter milk, half package vanilla powder, and to make a sauce out of my cornstarch, I'm also going to use 200 milliliter milk and 1 egg. Roasting the almond flour will give an extra taste, double the flavor actually. Make sure it is on low heat. We're gonna check it while making the keşkül pudding. On a medium sized pan, I added my milk and sugar and turn on the heat. Just going to stir and let it boil. And while it's heating, I'm gonna make the sauce, my thickening sauce. In a small bowl, I added cornstarch, 200 milliliter whole milk, and the egg. Just whisk it until it is all incorporated. And our thickening sauce is ready, which we call in Turkish sübye. Checking the almond flour, it has some color and nice smell coming. You have to stir it very frequently if you don't want to work both of them together. First you can roast the almonds and continue if you like. And after it has some nice color, make sure you transfer it to another bowl, because otherwise from the heat coming from the cast iron pan, it can burn it. So my milk is also boiled with sugar, and before mixing them all together, we're going to heat the sübye, the cornstarch, milk and egg mixture, so it doesn't get curdled. Just drizzle the hot milk over it and continuously whisk, and then transfer it back while still continuing to whisking to the milk. My heat is on a medium low, and I'm stirring because the milk is already hot. It will thicken right away. Adding the ground almonds gradually. And continue to cook until it bubbles, thickens for about 2-3 minutes. Here comes the vanilla powder. You can use vanilla extract if you are using, or even vanilla beans would be nice. Unfortunately, here in Turkey it's very expensive, so we don't use it. And my keşkül is already thickened well. It might seem runny, but it will thicken when it cools, so it's ready. Now we are ready to portion our keşkül pudding while it's still hot, and there is a small hint while transferring it. Traditionally, you have to pour it from high so it creates bubbles, and after it is cooled down, makes a nice pattern on top. Of course, it's optional, but I just wanted you to know how they do it on bakeries. It was almost evening time, sun was setting here, and to serve you, actually we had to wait till the next day, and it was hard, especially for my daughter. So here is the bright sun again the next day. Our keşkül is cooled completely. And to serve it, I'm just going to sprinkle some ground almonds. And since I had some pistachios, I wanted to use it for extra color and taste. You can also eat it as is, since already it is flavored with ground almonds in the pudding. But this is usually how they serve it. And also ground coconuts would be nice on top too. So let's give it a try finally and show you. It has really dense flavor. The texture was perfect. Not too thick, not runny. So I hope you give it a try and like this traditional milk dessert from Turkish cuisine. Thanks for watching. I have many other recipes you can look, desserts, some Ottoman sweets and more. Check the links. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.